Pemirsa, selalu ada hikmah. Balik lagi dengan narasumber luar biasa kita, Kak Nure ini, Masya Allah. Yang ternyata, ya begitulah ya, hijrah. Ya, padahal yang hijrah tuh banyak tahu ya. Cuman ya fisik mah nggak bisa milih. Ini kayak yang hijrahnya kayak begini, yang mualafnya kayak begini. Akhirnya dimudusin per hari, ada 100 yang ngajak. Ya DM. You know, I want to know about what your answer to them when they ask you to become the second wife or third wife or
I don't answer.
don't
I
answer.
have never answered because
But every day you check the email, the
it's
message.
not like I check, but they send me to business email, so I see it.
And then, oh, Masya Allah. But you know, you also planning to marry someday?
I don't plan anything. It's Allah's plan. If He want me to get married, inshallah, I will. If He doesn't have plan, well,
But
let's see.
Alhamdulillah. So what do you think about the Muslim in Indonesia? This is your first time dakwah to Indonesia, right?
Yes, and it's inspiring. It's very inspiring because I went to some dawah with other ustazah, and the women there were so enthusiastic, energetic, so powerful. I am also inspired by everybody.
I also curious. You already know about the Buddhist, also the Christian. What the difference in Muslim compared to other religion? Then that makes you choose the Islam to become a religion right now. What's the difference with another? Because every religion, every teaching is tell you to become good people, right? You know, some people think all religion is same, but what the difference in Islam?
Yes, every religion tell you to become a better person, good person, love other people. And I met Islam in, it's everything about the timing. Everything
timing,
happens for a reason. I was very depressed and lost and seeking for help. And I was looking to be free from the judgment. And at that time, I met Islam. And Islam told me that the only one who can judge me is Allah, not human being. And I was like, yes, that's correct.
Okay. And then I want you, Nure, to tell people in camera, to people who still addicted to, adult film, what you gonna say to them? Give me advice.
If you want to quit watching, maybe just reduce one by one, because for me also, quitting something is not easy. So you have to take a small step one by one until you reach the goal, like stop. You know, don't push yourself too hard to, okay, from tomorrow, 0. It's not going to work because you push yourself too hard that maybe it's too much for you. So if you are willing to go forward, step by step, you can start. Because if you don't step one step, there's no road.
Masya Allah. Masya Allah. Jadi gitu pemirsa ya. Jadi nggak ada yang bisa langsung stop hari ini, 0 semua tidak ada lagi, tapi pelan-pelan, small but sure, sampai di satu titik di mana akhirnya kita benar-benar bisa berhenti. Dan ngelihat hikmahnya dari Elio itu adalah bagaimana Allah itu benar-benar maha mengatur segala-galanya. Tadi bahkan dia sendiri bilang kalau kenal Islamnya bahkan sebelum kenal industri film dewasa, mungkin nggak berhenti juga. Tapi akhirnya dia dapat banyak kuliah kehidupan, pelajaran terkait bagaimana supaya hidup tuh nggak boleh kayak begini terus. Dan Islam datang di waktu yang tepat, Masya Allah. Sehingga akhirnya, ya beginilah, nggak peduli masa lalunya seperti apa. Hingga akhirnya dia bisa akhirnya menjadi orang yang benar-benar jadi inspirasi. Mungkin orang ada yang berkata bahwa maksiat 60 tahun nggak apa-apa. Nanti tobat sehari sebelum mati. Pertanyakan siapa kan yang janjiin kita ada waktu sampai sehari sebelum wafat. Masya Allah. Thank you very much. What's your next plan for maybe next year? How long you gonna stay in Bangkok or maybe you have another plan?
In Bangkok, I don't know. It's a last plan. Well, let's see. Maybe I will be moving here someday, inshallah.
Okay. I hope so. And then because Indonesia need a lot of inspiration, like people like you, I hope everything your plan is get guidance from Allah, and then you're always happy, and then not happy only in the world, in the dunia, but also in akhirah, insyaallah. Thank you very much, arigatou gozaimasu.
Arigatou gozaimasu, terima kasih.
Nure, terima kasih, alhamdulillah udah menjadi inspirasi buat kita. Dan pemirsa jangan kemana-mana, kalau pengen cari acara penuh hikmah, kalian selalu standby siap Sabtu Ahad ya. Di acara SAS, selalu ada hikmah. Kita akan kembali lagi dengan narasumber selanjutnya. Jangan kemana-mana, selalu akan kita supaya kita sama-sama jadi hamba yang baik di hadapan Allah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.